Hello and welcome. My name is Mahesh Balija and I am a Senior Cloud Solution Architect at Microsoft. I have over a decade of experience in building big data and analytics solutions. In this video, I will give a brief tour of Azure Synapse Analytics. Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based limitless analytics platform which combines the power of big data and data warehousing. It also includes data integration features such as ETL, ELT workloads, advanced analytical features such as machine learning, and business intelligence, all in one single service, hence empowering the organizations to generate data-driven actionable insights at their fingertips. In simplest terms, whether you are planning to migrate an existing data warehouse onto the cloud or building a greenfield analytics project, Azure Synapse Analytics should be your top consideration. Let's take a look at some of the reasons and why it is the best-in-class analytics platform and why it should be your top consideration. In today's world, organizations have to deal with many aspects of the data, such as versatile data sources, which include operational databases, application logs, are the data coming from the IoT devices or the social media generated data. Also, in other words, you can call it as structured, semi-structured or unstructured datasets. Our data could get generated in real time or in batch mode, on-premises data or even the cloud generated data. No matter what is your scenario, you can easily ingest, store, transform, analyze, and visualize the data with Azure Synapse Analytics. Hence, it offers one-stop shop solution for all your analytics workloads. Now, let's take a deeper look at what's possible with Azure Synapse Analytics. I will take bottom-up approach. In this slide, data can live in various platforms such as data lakes, that is Azure Data Lake Storage, NoSQL databases such as Cosmos DB, or in MPP databases such as SQL Data Warehouse, which is now called as Azure Synapse Analytics SQL Pools. No matter where your data lives, you can query and analyze the data with Azure Synapse Analytics, which is a powerful capability. Moving a step further, data integration pipelines allow you to perform ETL and ELT operations, that is extract, transform, load, and even the orchestration of these pipelines as well. What is pipelines? So pipelines are basically workflows which comprise ETL jobs. You can transform the data either by using the GUI based transformations, graphical user interface, where you can quickly drag and drop and create the transformations, or through writing SQL queries, or even writing complex Spark jobs as well. SQL pools and Spark pools allow you to query and analyze the data using both SQL queries or alternatively Spark jobs, and all this is available via pre-provisioned or serverless compute, where you can query the data on demand and you will be charged per query instead of pre-provisioning the infrastructure, which is so powerful for performing ad hoc data analytics. You need not have to provision any infrastructure upfront, rather just query on demand. You can also perform advanced analytics such as machine learning workloads using Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning can seamlessly work with Azure Synapse Analytics and can bring the richness of the machine learning features to Azure Synapse Analytics. So let's take a look at some of these features such as automation learning, responsible ML, visual designer, where you can quickly drag and drop and deploy your machine learning models, and the powerful machine learning ops, ML ops capabilities as well. With the deep integration of the Power BI, users can now create datasets, data models, and visualizations with Power BI and publish the dashboards and reports to Power BI service, all natively within the Azure Synapse Analytics itself. Azure Synapse Analytics also simplifies and gives centralized management, security, monitoring, and metastore management across the data lakes to data warehouses, which in itself is a powerful feature for the data stewards within the organizations. It also have support for various development tools for the developers, such as Visual Studio Code, along with the cloud-based Synapse Studio as well, providing the single IDE, integrated development environment, which gives access to various different hubs, such as Data Hub, which allows you to manage the underlying data sources within the Azure Synapse Analytics, or the Development Hub, which allows you to develop the Spark jobs, to SQL queries, to UI-based transformations. And even Power BI as well. Monitoring Hub, which allows you to monitor the pipelines. Management Hub to control and configure the security, which help users to develop and automate the deployment of the Azure Synapse projects seamlessly. Okay, so given all these benefits, now let's take a step further. Whether you are a data engineer, a data scientist, or a data analyst, or a business user, no matter what you do, as long as you need to work with the data, Azure Synapse Analytics offers a comprehensive solution for various different roles. With that, hence, I coined the term data genius, as Azure Synapse offers all possible dimensions to work with data and analytics projects. To quickly summarize, some key aspects comes to my mind with Azure Synapse Analytics are: it gives you flexibility to choose what you are good at to work with. Are you a SQL expert? Are you a Spark engineer? So you can use the technology of your choice to work with the data. Simplicity, completeness, and it's a unified and secured platform as well. Given all these powerful capabilities, I hope now it is clear on why you should consider Azure Synapse Analytics as your go-to service for building big data and data warehousing projects. Thank you, folks.